Certainly. The WordPress Visual Editor is a user-friendly tool that allows you to create and edit content on your website without needing to write code. It's a WYSIWYG what you see is what you get editor that provides an interface similar to a word processor. Here are the main components and their users in the WordPress Visual Editor. Toolbar. The toolbar is located at the top of the editor and contains various formatting options. Here are some common ones. Bold, italics, underline. These buttons are used to apply basic text formatting. Align aligns text to the left, center, right, or justified. Lists creates bulleted or numbered lists. Insert edit link allows you to add hyperlinks to text or images. Add media lets you insert images and videos into your content. Heading styles allows you to set headings for sections of your content H1, H2, etc. Block styles options for formatting paragraphs, quotes, code, and more. Visual and text tabs. The Visual tab is the default mode that shows a WYSIWYG representation of your content. The Text tab reveals the underlying HTML code of your content. You can switch between these tabs to edit in either visual or code mode. Content area. This is where you compose your content. You can type text, insert images, embed videos, and format your content using the toolbar options. Add block button. In newer versions of WordPress, the Visual Editor uses a block-based system, allowing you to create content in distinct blocks, paragraphs, images, videos, etc. The Add Block button helps you add new content blocks and arrange them as needed. Block settings. When you click on a block, its settings appear on the right-hand sidebar. Depending on the block type, you can adjust settings like alignment, spacing, colors, and more. Undo, redo buttons. These buttons let you undo or redo your recent changes. Full screen mode. This button expands the editor to fill the entire screen, providing a distraction-free environment for content creation. Toolbar toggle. Some additional toolbar options might not be immediately visible. Clicking on the More Options button, usually represented as 3 dots or a gear icon, expands the toolbar to reveal more formatting options. Publish Update button. When you're done creating or editing your content, you can use this button to either publish a new post or update an existing one. Preview button allows you to see how your content will appear on the live website before publishing it. Remember that the Visual Editor is designed to make content creation easy and intuitive. You can format text, insert media, and arrange your content visually without needing to work with code directly. If you're new to WordPress, the Visual Editor is a great starting point to build and customize your website's content. Feel free to ask if you need further assistance or have more questions about working with WordPress.